If your standalone microphone isn't recording any audio whatsoever and you're about ready to throw it into your backyard fire pit, well, hold on just a sec before doing so. I might have a fix for it. And if this doesn't help, well, just throw that bitch in the fire pit anyway. So to start, make sure your output device is selected to whatever you have your audio coming through. I know sometimes this can fuck up and for whatever reason it will change. And then when you go to record your voice, it actually is recording the microphone, but you're not able to hear yourself because it's on the wrong playback setting. You'll end up being like Dr. Disrespect and wondering where the fuck is the audio, and that's why, because you have it selected to the wrong output device. So just make sure you double check that. And of course, for your input, make sure you have your standalone microphone selected. It's really obvious. And then this is another thing. If you're using Inshidia, go into the settings and go into the audio and make sure that your standalone microphone is selected there as well. I don't know why that would ever happen, but it could, knowing Inshidia. I know this is some really high maintenance shit right here, but you can also unplug and re-plug in the microphone itself and restart your computer. That might also fix it. And then one last thing is, if you are using a headset with a microphone on it, make sure you either mute that shit or you just disable it entirely. If you go into your sound devices, under input devices, you can go here. You might see two microphones. If you're just using a standalone microphone like me, I just disable the other one because there's no point in me having it there. I don't plan on using it because that can also interfere with it for whatever reason. So that's what I did to fix my issue. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but hopefully this helps. And if it didn't, yeah, just throw that bitch away.